Hello guys, our question for today is that can MI Band 4 still compete in the market of its successors and the new watches and fitness bands? First of all, we are gonna discuss about some of the features of MI Band 4 and then we will find out the answer for our question. So when you switch it on, you have got the display. It has 3 preloaded display in it and one which you have used the last time. So total in all it has 4 display. So I have put password in it so it is safer as no one else can use it without my grant. So let's put the password. It's not secret at all. Oh yes. Then now band is on. So it shows you the step and all. Now see the function status. The status shows you the amount of steps you have walked till now with the distance traveled, the calories burned, and idle alert, which you can set the limit. And this is the warning which you are getting, or the advice which you are getting from the band, that sitting for too long is harmful for your health. It will increase the risk of various diseases such as diabetes and all. So it gives you some advice as well. Now the heart rate sensor, as you know, it has a bit accurate, 98 to 97% accurate heart rate sensor. So it's pretty good for a band. Then see, it's workout, and it has 6 workout modes ranging from outdoor running to the pool. And in the swimming pool or the pool swimming, you can customize your pool length, that is from 10 centimeter 10 meters, sorry, it's customize the pool length of your size from custom. You can set anywhere 44 up to 200 range. So let's not waste time. Then it has a weather setting. In the weather setting, it says you the weather of the 5 days. Okay, my band is not connected now, so it will show you like this. Then it's the notifications, and it shows you the notifications, and not the last one. It shows you approximately 8 to 9 notifications you have got lastly. Now in the more option, you will get the DND, the smart DND. My smart DND is on. Otherwise, you got the 3 options: the turn on DND, turn off, or auto turn on. In auto turn on mode, when you switch on the auto turn on, then the band will detect that you are asleep, then it will automatically switch on the DND. So it's a very nice technology. Now the alarm, you can set up 10 alarm at a time, but through the MI Fit app, and you can off and on it anytime from the band. Now music, so phone is disconnected, but it can control the music as well. Stopwatch, timer, find device, silent, band display. So here the band display 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th which I have customized myself. So you can put your photo as well. Now the settings. In settings you have got the brightness. You can dull it, or you can just increase the brightness. Then is this lock screen of no use. Then the screen timeout and the reboot and factory reset and regulatory. Now coming on to our conclusion, or the result of our talking, that is, can MI Band 4 still compete in the market of its successors like the MI Band 5 Rummers and Amazfit, Realme and all. So MI Band 4 MI Band 4 has got lot of new features, and it was like a revolution in the fitness bands evolution. So if you'll compare it with the Realme band, then it's better than the Realme band, as in my opinion. It has a beautiful display as well. And if you compare Realme band, if you will compare it with Realme band, then in the notification aspect, the Realme band just says you the last notification you have received from your phone, but in MI band it's not. MI band can tell you 6 to 7 notifications which you have got from the messages, WhatsApp and any apps, almost any app. And then if you will compare it with the Amazfit Bip S, then you can say the price of this and the price of Amazfit is quite high, though these are both are of the same company, that is Xiaomi. But you've got the GPS in Amazfit Bip S, but the price of Amazfit Bip S is 5,000, and the price of MI Band 4 is just 2299. But I am gonna assure you that the price of Amazfit MI Band 4 will come down in about a month, as after the launch of MI Band 5. So MI Band 5 also has some new features in it, but MI Band 4 I think is a very good, a very nice buy for you. So I came to the conclusion that MI Band 4 is still a revolutionary band and it's worth your purchase and your spending. So in my opinion, you should buy the MI Band 4 with a lot of new and different features than any other band and at a very reasonable price.